Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Simone with Simple Smart Mommy Money Moves. Thanks so much for joining. So I just thought I would get on here today. It seems like it's been a while, like a long time, but probably been about a week and a half. And so it is March. Welcome to March, everyone. And March kicks off the busy month. Few months for me. It's my mother's birthday, my brother's birthday, and so we celebrated that last week. They were March 2nd and 3rd, and so I still had that budget thing going on, and I just wanted to give you guys an update as to where we are. So let's just jump right in. So I reviewed my budget or my spending for February, and so it looks like I did a little bit better on the Dollar Tree fast, just a little bit. I actually worked on fasting or staying away from Dollar Tree for a couple days. Don't judge me. A couple days. Anyway, so my Dollar Tree expense for February went down to $77. Okay, so as I was saying, my Dollar Tree spending went down to $77.03. So down from $150. So I'm very excited about that. I mean, I stayed away from Dollar Tree for a few days. Yeah, I did. So I'm working on that. I'm very happy to say. For eating McDonald's was $41.60 in February from my bank account. I don't know about anybody else's bank account in this house, but this is the main account, and that's what I have. For groceries, I had a combination of Aldi at $302.07 and Sam's Club at $182.90. So I go to both. There's also eating out. I had $137.48 eating out. So that is probably average, but I definitely like to cut that down. And then I did account for thrifting this month, my guilty pleasure. That was $27.98 at the Salvation Army and the Goodwill. So I allow myself a little leniency with that, or a little freedom with that. So I did go to thrifting a little bit in February. So that's where we are with that. I didn't do all the other expenses like Amazon, because there were some Amazon purchases that were not for me that I get reimbursed for. So that I didn't account for. But I definitely would like to go back and see what else was spent on Amazon for the month of February and work on that. That's another guilty pleasure. I don't know about you guys, but let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys have a little guilty pleasure that you allow yourself, or a lot? How much do you allow? Are you working on reducing that? I personally think you should try to work on reducing everything as much as you can. I've even watched one lady's channel that she recommended cutting the lights off more frequently, and I've been guilty of leaving the lights on. Like, we walk out our home and we come back and the house is like glowing because we got lights on. And so I'm teaching the family now, like, okay guys, let's work on cutting the lights down. Let's work on cutting down as much as we can, cut down on as much as we can, so that we can actually have a little bit more freedom in other areas where we're not stuck on, budgeted items that are going up and going up and going up. So, and another thing I learned in the last week and a half or so is to go ahead and follow up on calling your phone company, your television, your internet provider, and work on seeing if they can give you a deal, a special offer. Maybe they got something going on that can help reduce your expenses as well. So I'm going to work on doing that as well for the next coming months, because I know from here, as I had said before, from April, I did not go on my budget spreadsheet to see if I was on budget, off budget, and I'm definitely going to be doing that. I did work on the stock side and the investing side. I did sell some stock and some crypto, actually. Bitcoin. I actually sold about half of my Bitcoin yesterday or today, one day this week, And so I don't know if that's a good decision or a bad decision, but it had gone up so high to about $68,000 that I decided per Bitcoin, not per my account, but per Bitcoin. And so I decided to take some profit. So I took about half of that out. I'm going to be working on replenishing that because I definitely do believe that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up. And so I'd like to be in that train. When it goes up, I think it's going to go higher, maybe, who knows, maybe 100,000, maybe more. I don't know, but I definitely want to have some more Bitcoin. So I'm going to work on selling out some of the other stocks that I have so that I can replenish the Bitcoin money that I took out so that I can be back whole. But right now, I took out my initial investment and I am going to keep what the profit that I made and then work on increasing that as I go along. So let me know, guys, what are you guys doing? Are you investing? Have you started? Do you believe in cryptocurrency? Do you think it's something that's going to grow? I personally watch a lot of videos on a lot of YouTubers on it, some that I know personally, some that I don't. And I also work for a financial institution, so I do see a lot of articles come out on Bitcoin and on cryptocurrency and what's happening. So I definitely, think that I see how the narrative is changing on what people think about Bitcoin and how they think, whether they think it's going to be growing or not. So I'm excited. I'm excited that I'm in the know about it. And I definitely want to look at increasing my holding of it so that I can make some money at the end of the day. That's what I want to do. So I'm sharing it with you all and I'm sharing it with my friends and family. They sometimes don't think that I have any insight in that and they're not interested. But will say my brother actually, he's the one that actually got me started a little bit on this whole stock market investing. And I was like, he's my little brother. I was like, I'm not gonna let him tell me all this stuff and I don't know for myself. So really that's how I really got moving on learning more about stock on my personal journey, and I am excited about it. So sometimes I'm texting him, letting him know what happened and what he did and what I think, what we think. So we share. So that's exciting. But let me know what you guys are doing. I'd love to hear in the comments below what you're doing about your investing. What do you think about cryptocurrency? What do you think about, what are your favorite stocks? And just let me know how you guys are doing out there. I would really love to hear from you. So that's all I have for you guys today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So until next time, this is Simone with Simple Smart Mommy Money Moves. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.